Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 Samsung smartphones in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading Samsung smartphone that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is a game changer. Ever wondered what your favorite influencer is wearing or where they went on vacation? With the S24 series, you don't need to describe it, just circle it on your screen. Use Circle to search Superscript 1 with Google and get instant answers. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Bonjour. Hola. Ni hao. Speak foreign languages on the spot with Live Translate Superscript 2. Whether you're traveling or just chatting with friends, this feature unlocks convenient communication. Say goodbye to language barriers. We all know the struggle of perfecting our notes. Well, meet Note Assist Superscript 3. It summarizes, formats, and even translates your scribbles. Plus, it keeps everything organized neatly. No more frantic searching for that crucial info. Nightography on the S24 Ultra is a game-changer for night owls and stargazers. Capture stunning details even in low light. Zoom in from a distance and reveal hidden beauty. It's like having night vision for your camera. Turn ordinary photos into jaw-dropping masterpieces. Generative Edit lets you move or remove objects, fill in empty spaces, and enhance your pics effortlessly. Your Instagram feed will thank you. In conclusion, so there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Our most powerful Galaxy smartphone yet. Jump between apps seamlessly, enjoy high-quality content, and let that 200MP camera work its magic. Number 4. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE AI phone. Buckle up, because this phone is packed with some seriously cool features. Ever wished your phone could read your mind? Well, almost. With the Galaxy S23 FE, you get AI-powered search capabilities that take your queries to a whole new level. Plus, real-time call interpretation. Yep, it's got that too. And don't even get me started on the note summarization feature, it's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Say goodbye to midday charging panic. The Galaxy S23 FE manages its energy consumption like a pro. You can go from sunrise to sunset without reaching for that charger. Live streaming? Video editing? Social content creation? The Galaxy S23 FE handles it all effortlessly. Thanks to its premium processing power, you can multitask like a champ. The 50MP camera on the Galaxy S23 FE is a game-changer. Super HDR ensures your photos pop with lifelike colors and incredible detail. From sunsets to selfies, this camera has your Instagram feed covered. Nightography, the magic that happens when you snap pics in low-light conditions. The Galaxy S23 FE lets you capture those epic moments, whether you're at a dimly lit restaurant or stargazing in the wilderness. No more blurry, grainy shots, just pure awesomeness. In conclusion, so there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE AI phone is a powerhouse that combines smart AI features, epic battery life, and stunning photography capabilities. Number 3. The Samsung Galaxy S21 5G, US version, 128GB in Phantom Gray. Is this renewed phone worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. The 6.2-inch AMOLED display is a visual treat. With a 120 Hz refresh rate and 1300 nits brightness, your content comes alive. Scrolling? Butter smooth. Capture life's moments with finesse. The rear dual camera system boasts a 64MP main lens and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. Say cheese, Instagram. 128GB internal storage and 8GB RAM mean no more app juggling. Multitask like a pro, whether you're binge-watching or editing photos. 5G, ready and versatile, GSM, CDMA, Wi-Fi, it's got you covered. Stream, game, video call, all without a hitch. The 4000 mAh battery keeps you going all day. No more midday panic. Plus, it's unlocked, freedom to choose your carrier. In conclusion, so, should you hit that "buy now" button? If you crave a sleek design, killer camera, and seamless performance, the Galaxy S21 5G delivers. Number 2. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Buckle up, because this budget-friendly device packs a punch. The Galaxy A15 5G boasts a vibrant 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display. With Vision Booster cranking up the brightness to 800 nits, your content comes alive, whether you're binge-watching shows or scrolling through cat memes. Worried about running out of space? Fear not. The A15 5G offers up to 128GB of internal storage, and if that's not enough, expand it up to a whopping 1 TB. Say goodbye to storage anxiety. Your personal data deserves Fort Knox-level protection. The Galaxy A15 5G's Knox security layers shield your files from prying eyes, ensuring your sensitive info stays safe and sound. Charging woes? Not here. Super fast charging zips up your battery in no time. So, focus on capturing memories, not your battery percentage. Life's too short for low-power anxiety. Need a bright screen for those sunny days? The A15 5G's Super AMOLED display cranks up to 800 nits, making sure you see every detail, from epic sunsets to hilarious TikToks. In conclusion, in a nutshell, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is your trusty sidekick, smooth, secure, and always ready for action. Number 1. The Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. This sleek and powerful device has been making waves, and we're here to spill the details. Buckle up, because we're about to explore its AMOLED display, camera prowess, storage options, rugged design, and more. Let's get started. The Galaxy A35 5G boasts the brightest screen in the A-series lineup. Thanks to Vision Booster technology, it adapts seamlessly to your surroundings. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or battling it out in mobile games, this display won't let you down. The advanced triple-lens camera system turns every moment into a masterpiece. With high-res photos and HD videos, you'll capture awe-worthy content. Plus, optical image stabilization ensures your shots stay crisp and blur-free. Nights just got better. Whether it's fireworks, birthday candles, or stargazing, the Galaxy A35 5G excels in low-light conditions. Say goodbye to grainy photos, nightography mode keeps things crystal clear. Memories deserve space. With 128GB of internal storage, the A35 5G holds all your photos, videos, and apps. And guess what? You can expand it up to a whopping 1 TB. Splash, dirt, and dust? No problem. The A35 5G flaunts an impressive IP67 rating. Whether you're hiking, beach-bound, or just navigating daily life, this phone can handle it. Plus, the all-day battery keeps you going. In conclusion, so there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G in all its glory. From its vibrant screen to its night-friendly camera, this mid-range phone packs a punch. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.